Okay folks, this is Kenneth. This is going to be a short video about a 1995 F-150 Ford pickup truck, 306 cylinder, the straight six. It's a 4.9 liter. Okay folks, let me show you what I look like. I'm a handsome devil. Okay. This is me, if you can see me. My name's Kenneth, okay? So much for that. Now, this is going to be a short video. The tachometer started going crazy on this truck. And just bouncing around and going crazy. My truck run good, but the tach went crazy. Okay, I'm going to start it and let you see this. Okay folks, alright, it's idling on about 800 RPMs. The tach, I fixed it by the way. Anyway, as you can see, the tachs are, and it's running great. This truck's got 201,347.5 miles. 201,347.5. See the tachometer? Look there. Running good. I'll show you out here. It's idling like a brand new vehicle. Alright. It's idling good. Okay. I'll tell you the problem. The problem was it started missing later. Now there's another thing. The tachometer started going crazy. The truck was running good. Then later it started idling real bad. It was missing. It was missing real bad. And then it finally got to where it would just quit. Sometimes you'd drive it and it run good, and then it would catch you coming home and start missing real bad, and it would quit on you and doing all that stuff. Okay, I replaced the throttle positioning sensor. I replaced it. I replaced the idle air control valve, and that didn't help it either. Over there on the far wall, I replaced the map sensor. You see the map sensor right there? And that didn't help it either. What it was the ignition, electronic ignition control module. Right down there, below the hinge on the fender. I don't know if you can see it or not, but that's where it's located on a 95 Ford. It's right there below the hinge on the driver's side, and it's on the fender, not the firewall, but on the fender. It's got a looks like an aluminum heat sink and a little black plastic box with a plug going to it. There's about 5 or 6 wires going to that plug. That's the electronic engine control module. That's what helps, you know, give it fire. We used to call that the brain way back in the days, but it's not the brain. The computer's the brain. Folks, it's sitting here running. It's idling good. The tachometer don't bounce anymore. It don't miss anymore. It don't quit anymore. It runs like a new vehicle. I hope this helped you. YouTube's helped me a lot. I hope this helps you guys. If this was a help to you, like it and subscribe to it. I appreciate it, folks. I hope this helps you. 95 F-150 306 or 4.9 liter, missing, rough idle, stalling, tachometer going crazy. The electronic engine control module is what it was. Thanks for stopping by, and that's all.